we'll be finding the LCM of two numbers in C. So first of all, what actually is LCM? Let us see here with an example. So the two numbers here we have taken are 3 and 5. So the multiples of 3 are 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, etc. The multiples of 5 are 5, 10, 15, etc. The similar manner. So the least common multiple, the first least common multiple would be 15, because it's divisible by both 3 and 5. So now you'll get the idea what LCM is. So now let us actually start coding. Hashtag include stdio.h int main. Here we are coding in C. You can also do it in other languages. Int a comma b comma LCM. Now printf \n, because we want the printed format to be on the next line. We'll ask here enter the two numbers, then scanf. Now here in this scanf I'm inputting both the values of a and b in single scanf only. %d space %d comma and a comma and b. Okay, now LCM equal to, now here I'm using some special operator which is known as ternary operator. So what this does is, I'll let you know in a moment. Let us see over here. So ternary operator in C. The ternary operator is used to execute code based on the result of a binary condition. It takes in a binary condition as input, which makes it similar to an if-else control flowback statement. However, it returns a value behaving similar to a function. So what will be its syntax? The condition followed by a question mark, then value returned if true, colon, value returned if false, semicolon, finish. Now note this, the ternary cannot be used to execute code. It must be either returned in a function or set equal to a variable with the same data type as the return values. Okay, so yeah, we are using here LCM, which has the return type of int, and a and b are also integers. Okay, so what it does is, it is going to check if a is greater than b or no. If it is true, then it is going to return me a. If it is not true, then it's going to return me b. So LCM is going to carry whatever the correct answer would be. Okay, now let us create one while loop. It is going to run if my LCM divided by a is equal to 0, which means my remainder comes to 0, and my LCM divided by b equal to 0, this remainder also comes as 0, then I can print LCM of %d and %d is %t. Okay, and then \n in the end also. Okay, now here we'll add a comma b and LCM in the end, because we are displaying the LCM of a and b is the LCM. Okay, semicolon. Now I am going to break this. Sorry, wrong spell. Okay, I'll break this, and if this is not true, if I'm not getting this, then I'm going to increment the LCM. Okay, as we saw in this example, even here, like A would be 3 and B would be 5, we are not going to get our LCM in the first go, so LCM is going to increment. First it will go to 4, then 5, then 6, then 7, all the way up till 15, and we'll get our LCM. Okay, so let us increment. Okay, and in the end return 0, since we used an int main function. Okay, now let us compile this code. Enter two numbers. Okay, I've used an small mistake. 3 and 5. The LCM of 3 and 5 is 15. Okay, so it's running properly. So what all we learned in this tutorial is we learned what is this term ternary operator, and it's really useful, like it saves you space and all, and how to find the LCM, and also this new way of incrementation. Okay, it's really helpful, guys. Okay, and so this was the end of this tutorial. If you really like this, then share it with your friends and keep coding.